Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your Zoom app is updated and supports virtual backgrounds. This saves time and avoids surprises. Next, select either a plain wall or a green screen. This helps Zoom separate you from the background. Finally, pick a high-resolution image or a short MP4 file. Smaller files load faster. Once done, open Zoom settings and navigate to backgrounds and filters so you're ready to add your chosen asset without delay. Now apply the background. In Settings, go to Backgrounds and Filters, or during a meeting, click the caret next to Stop Video and select Virtual Background. Click the plus icon to upload your image or video. Zoom will instantly preview it. If you're using a green screen, enable the green screen toggle and pick the Color Sample tool to refine. Make small lighting and camera adjustments so edges look natural. You'll see improvement immediately as Zoom reprocesses the frame. Finish by testing in a quick meeting with video on. Switch between backgrounds to confirm stability and motion handling. If you notice flicker, halos, or misalignment, simplify the background image, increase front lighting, or use a physical green screen for better separation. Should performance lag or backgrounds fail to apply, update Zoom and restart your app. As a last resort, lower the background resolution or disable video filters to conserve CPU and solve glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.